people, welcome back once again to my channel. So if you are new on this channel, my name is Hetkem. I am a makeup artist in real life and also on YouTube. So if you like to embark on this journey here on YouTube with me, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a video. So without further ado, let's jump right into my video. But if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share my video with your family and friends. Let's go viral together. Okay, what I'm going to use as my primer is NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. In the white shade, if you have one, or even if you don't have one, it doesn't matter. So I'll just jump right in with it. And I'm going to use that as my primer today. And today I'm going to work with two palettes, one from BH Cosmetics and one from NYX. And for my crease, I'm going to use Regular from BH Cosmetics. And I'm going to go in with Cyprus Amber to deepen my crease. And then I'm going to go in again with the I don't really want a cut crease, but a soft one. And then I'll go in with this shade. So I'll just draw a liner and then I'll put my lashes on, and that's all. So to color correct, I'm going to use my foundation, so in a darker shade. And today I'm going to use Makeup Forever foundation. I have had this foundation for a long time, but I don't use it, so I decided to use it today because it was I bought it online and it was a little fair than my color, but since we are in winter, why not? For my concealer, I'm going to use L'Oreal. And to contour, I'm going to contour with Black Opal foundation stick. And to set my whole face, I'm going to use Benign Banana Powder as always.